Hey, what's up? Sammy B here in the kitchen. Today I'm going to whip together a quick 10-minute veggie omelet recipe that's going to be great for breakfast any day of the week. So real quick, we're going to go over the ingredients I used to prepare this meal and the exact portion size that I used. If you have trouble reading my handwriting, you could go ahead and download a free PDF template of this meal, how to prepare it, the portion size, and the macronutrient breakdown. It's available at the link below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fitness tips as far as workouts and nutrition or motivation, feel free to subscribe. Other than that, I look forward to talking to you guys more. Have a good one.